Welcome to my channel. This is the new updated 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC. One of the main changes will be the headlights, which will feature LED lights in the shape of three-pointed stars. The grille will be slightly larger, and there will also be a redesigned front bumper. The premiere of the updated GLC is expected next year. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.